for the bougie as quality. I had to use my iPhone because we had the GoPro that I was going to use, and I didn't end up getting my SD card, so didn't have enough time this morning to get it. So these clips are going to have to do. Anyway, where were we? Boy, got his hand tattooed. Not a quick 5 hours, that's for damn sure, but yeah, still did it. Shout out to my boy Jace for tattooing me at Para, so thanks heaps for that. Probably going to catch up with Alex now, so we'll see you there.
What's going on, guys? Alex and Brendan here, back from Royal Street Krew, your favourite YouTubers. Today we are outside the gym. We are heading to our friend's shop, Knockout Nutrition. Shout out to Anthony from Knockout Nutrition.
Hey Tony, what are you doing?
Hey Tony. They're having a little open day today, getting a few fitness guys down there, so we're just going to go over there, check it out. No, they've got nothing set up, man. They haven't got anything set up yet, but tonight we are hitting up the Demonkings Meet.
Demonkings, baby.
We're having a pre-meet and then a cruise out there with a few of the lads. We have people hitting us up on Insta saying, save some spots for the RSK fam, so shout out to you boys. Yeah, but until then, so we're going to go in here, check out what's going on, and then we're going to Gage's to help fix his car. His shaft's a bit stuffed,
rattling still.
So I'm going to help him fix that, and then we'll get ready for the meet. So look forward to that, and we'll catch you then. Inside Knockout Nutrition. Brandon, what have we got going on over here?
She's getting comfortable at our favourite after, before, during gym.
Yeah,
you know.
After every gym. Shout out to the Knockout. Every afternoon we come in here after the gym to the sub bar.
How long do we stay here for?
We try out. Oh, we do plan to stay here for 10 minutes. Do end up here for like 2 hours, so can't complain about that. Shout out to Dave. RIP Dave. Dave used to work here. He used to get us water for our shakers every day, but yeah. So we'll wait for Tony. Tony, we're kind of early, but
yeah. We're always early. We're always early to these things.
What do you have there?
New meat.
What's that?
That's swollen. That's having no more knuckles. That's what that is.
And what made you want to get the tiger?
It's a cat.
What made you want to get a tiger as a cat?
I don't know. It goes with the theme. I've always liked the tigers.
What do we got going on here?
The theme is anything goes. Okay.
Anything goes.
It's what I like.
Alright, so we'll catch up with you when we start this. What are you eating there, man?
I already finished it.
Yeah.
Protein ice cream.
This is from Gymboy. It's high protein, low calorie ice cream. 38 grams of protein. How many grams of fat? Like 15.
It just tastes like ice cream.
And then like 5 grams of sugar. Yeah, it tastes like normal ice cream.
It's still sweet.
And it's healthy.
Yeah.
So shout out to Gymboy. They've just ordered in their tubs. These are the sample tubs at the moment, so we're just giving them a test drive. But you should definitely check them out. Healthy for you. And yeah, we just say what flavour? Salted caramel and peanut butter.
Alright, that was good. Now we're going to head to Gage's because now we're full of ice cream. What about you, man?
Shout out to Gymboy.
Oh yeah, is the logo on the back?
Whoop.
No.
Yeah.
I'll get it though. Gymboy soft serve, baby.
Yep. Plug the Insta.
Hit them up.
Check them out.
It's healthy ice cream. What can go wrong?
Yeah, it's ice cream that's literally good for you to eat.
Yeah.
And what can you complain about that? Maybe one day we'll have them at a meet.
Yeah. Ooh.
Get the truck out of the meet, you know?
Yeah.
Let us know
in the summertime.
That.
You would have it. Don't say you wouldn't have it.
Yeah, everyone would have it. It tastes
amazing. Oh shit. Go Alex. It's your birthday. Oh. Anyway, we're gonna head to Gage's now. Fix his S15 because it's clunking like crazy. So we'll see you there.
Yeah. Hey. So we just got to Gage's. This is the street where I had where someone ran into me. Up there, that blue Lancer. So.
The crime scene.
Ah. Did we find a piece of evidence?
Crime scene.
Ah, piece of the tail light. That is just lovely.
Do you want to talk about it, Alex?
No, I don't want to talk about it.
How'd you like parking in this street? Haunting? Was it haunting?
Yes.
Yes.
It was fucking terrible. Absolutely terrifying. The rig is down there in front of the truck.
That's a new Tesla.
Just there. Scene of the crime happened where that blue CJ front wheel drive Lancer is just over there.
Down here.
Oh yeah, but he reckons
he reckons
we reversed there down the street and hit him at the corner. So yeah, we're just out here at Gage's place waiting for him to come out. Gage, why are you taking so long, my man?
Yeah.
Been waiting here for like 20 minutes.
3 weeks later.
About to set up
Go on, man. Bit late, are we?
I was about to set up camp.
You setting up camp?
Yeah, I was about to.
bro.
I'm like, fuck, where is he? Alright, so we're at Gage's. car, and Alex is saying it's a problem. So Alex, tell me what the problem is.
No, it's just because it's a Sylvia. There's just a lot of stuff in the way that we got to take off before we do it. Whereas a conventional Falcon, undo one bolt at the bottom, you can pull the whole bloody thing out.
Should have bought a Falcon.
Yep.
Now what? How long do you reckon it's going to take? Just give me a rough time.
Oh, probably half an hour we'll get it out, I'm hoping. Did not bring my toolkit because someone else has it. Josh had it.
Tupu?
Yeah.
No, thanks Josh. Anyway.
You have to.
It's a clean 15, that's for sure. Except mine the tape. It's beast.
How much brake pad you got left? Like a millimetre. Bruh.
Well.
Wow.
Incredible.
Why don't you like to be on the video gauge?
I just hate cameras.
Thanks, man. Thanks. To make you feel good.
He's not happy. He's not a happy man right now. He doesn't want to borrow it. He's even got the hat off, and you've never seen him with a hat off in these videos. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Check me out. Safety. I'm your officer today. You got your white card here, mate? You got a white card?
No.
You what?
No.
No. Alright. We're still out here. Thanks, Gage. Alex, tell me you got it. Oh my god. Oh. Now.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
Incredible.
Wait, let me.
He's been driving around like this. Let's get a little comparison here. Incredible.
What the f? Oh my god.
That is a problem.
No, 100%. That's meant to be. There we go. Great, now we've got a reasonable thing. See? I'm a mechanic. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alex.
We're home. That hub nut is never coming back off again. No.
Alex, you've done it.
Yeah.
That was like 20 minutes.
Yeah, took a little longer than 20, maybe about 35.
I want to know your verdict on 15.
No.
Not no. What's your verdict?
No.
Alright, wheels going on. We'll see you guys when we get in the back of the car, when it's good to go. Yeah, Alex?
Yeah, man. Absolutely.
Incredible. Oh, I was waiting for you to say incredible. Alright, man. Head to toe, you are black.
It's so loud.
Oh, it's not.
What's Gucci, my guys? We just put up here at a Porto. We've got a little pre-meet going on. Blake and the XR5, a chaser. A couple more behind us. Ooh, look at them boys. Aiden and his car down there. Just waiting for Brandon to pull up now. We're going to get a feed and then we'll head down there. It's at Marsden Park, so it should be pretty good. Should have pretty mean turnout. Yeah, all the boys are looking shiny. So we'll get a feed and then we'll take you there. Ooh, what's going on, guys? Pulling up to the meet now. We're out here with Brandon.
New rigs.
With
new tees.
Royal Street Krew.
Wait, get the back, get the back.
Check the back. Ooh, give us a little happy dance. Give us a, ooh, hey, it's your birthday.
Crew is coming in.
Yeah,
We're coming in clutch.
Yeah, the fam, the RSK fam.
I mean, we're in the dark corner, but let's not start that.
I tried to get in the
We are late.
Oh. Hey.
Number
Oh, look at the poke. Absolutely massive meet. It's looking pretty packed out at the moment. We got the
as
crew
good as a
rolling up
RSK
here.
meet.
Look, I don't want to talk about it. It looks like, as you can recognise Nick Scully, looks like our meet, but it's in Marsden Park. Yeah, we've seen some mean as cars rolling in, so we'll check it out. Hey, yeah,
kill it.
Hey. Yeah, so we'll take a quick walk around now, see what we got, and
We're just having a great time.
yeah, we're out
Just
here
having a great
fun. It's absolutely insane.
Let's go check out some rigs.
Yeah, live.
Oh, RSK purple right now. Do it.
Get it done.
Do it. Alex, that's what we want. RSK purple.
Yeah.
We made it through like 2
Oh, a little
rows.
bit darker, a little bit darker.
Yeah, I'm not turning this camera around.
Yeah. Yuck.
What is that?
I don't know, but I don't want to breath.
Try. Let me see if I can find an actual purple one. Do you want it moving or just still?
Just
Nah, still.
anything, mate.
Just do the
just royal
purple.
purple.
Oh, Oh, there we go. Oh, the Demon King boys coming in clutch, giving us some sticks. Alex, give us a gaze yours.
Oh, got a big man. See, this represents me and you again.
Yeah, you got the big one, I got the little one. What the hell,
Just
man?
Yeah, well, I did call you little man.
Now we're gonna hit the Demon King boys up with some of our stickers. They've chosen white. Good choice, if I might say so myself. Me and Alex have spotted a
straight meat.
just straight
Wide body
meatage on an R32 Golf. Mint.
Oh, Cosmos Racing. Check out the wheels, check out the wheels.
Oh, stop it.
Cosmos Racing wheels.
Go lower.
Absolutely mintage.
Dope. I rate it. I wish it was moulded though.
I don't want to talk about it.
Where's 86 V2?
Where
is he, man?
They're just eBay flares.
Where's 86 V2?
What is up, guys? I'm in here today. We're back here.
Oh, there she is. Yum. Oh, what is up, guys? Oh, what's going on, guys?
We're back here with another little video. So today we're out here at a IKEA car park because that's where you host car meets. And
What are we in today, sir?
what are we in today?
Yes.
We're in 86 V2.
Wow, you must be famous.
Me and Alex have spotted another rig, and it's low as shit.
It is bag.
Alex, you can eat
It
off
is on
it.
bag. It is rose gold chrome. Oh, look at the sticker on the front.
Alex, look at the colour. No, you don't even need to do that. Look, come back here.
Oh, that looks
Look.
cool.
Look at it in the camera.
Oh man, satin rose gold.
It looks
that's
mint.
nice.
Look how low
It's
it is.
touching the
Look how
floor.
low it is.
Can't even get your finger under there. Oh,
Back tuckage. Look at that.
wow. Hang on. I need to get an anglage.
Shout out to So Wavy.
Yeah, so
Oh, you've
wavy.
got the full neochrome going on back here.
Oh, it's going all over the place. Is this the only golf you would buy? Golf.
I guess. Oh, this one's sacked as well.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Street Cartel. So lit. Oh, I want the number plate now.
Oh, it's tucking. It's tucking. You're monster trucking. Oh, that rhymes.
Come on. I'm over here in this monster truck.
Look, we got another non-molded kit.
Meat. Do I have to be honest,
They're
Alex?
Ventus meat.
Alex, do I have to be,
Oh, no,
do I have to be honest?
That's the same meat as yours.
Do you want me to be honest?
What's up, man?
I don't know.
Sits
I like
lower
it.
than yours? Yeah,
I don't.
we know. It's Alex back here with another little video. We're out here with the world famous 86 V2. Currently pulling up at the meet with the owner. Eminem just says, give us an 86 V2 dance. Oh. Hey. Absolutely massive turnout here today. We have got some fully hectic underglow. Bar, what do you reckon about the underglow over there? Hey, what shirt have you got on? Are they going to be available to the public soon?
Possibly.
Think
Or
so.
the new logo. Haven't told him yet.
Oh. You might want to know about that, but guess what? We're not going to tell
We're
you.
not gonna
Yum! A VN Polar White. That was disgusting.
Why did he turn the wheel? Why did he do that?
Don't know what that was all about. Not impressed at all. Stop trying to get out of frame. That's leaving. I'm leaving that in there.
No.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm not trying to be in it. I'm trying to get out of it. Stop.
Leave. Oh, what is that over there? The owner of the Demonkings S15. Let's not talk about S15, man.
How long did that take again?
4.5 hours.
4 hours
Don't.
later.
I think it's big. Oh, S14, sorry.
Oh, it is 14.
This thing is disgusting. Yay. Shout out to the homie. Who's that,
Oh my
man?
god, I thought it was a
Oh, it's a
freaking
drone.
I thought that was a
Oh,
freaking
like a
big mozzie
bee
or
or
something.
something.
Hey, hey.
Oh, gotcha.
Even I was like,
Shout out to the who?
Josh, the homie.
Oh, Josh,
yeah.
the homie. Hey,
Ooh.
Josh, the homie. Hit up Lucid Detailing.
Oh. Oh,
wanna get a
15 HP right
Skater,
there.
dude. Feed the family.
Feed the family. No, we are a family. Feed the family.
RSK is a family. Spread the word.
Feed the family.
Leave. Pulling up to the homies. We're all back at the cars. Looks like there's more than usual. But, oh, where's George? I've spotted George's car.
No, you haven't.
Where is
Oh,
he?
there's cops.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
What is up, George?
George.
You guys got any RSK?
Of course, mate.
Come here, boy.
And she's in second.
Ooh, what is up, guys? Oh, there's cops here. Ah, well.
Georgie. How's a Fiesta? I want to drive something cool.
Yeah. What do you drive? Sorry, Mazda 3
Monster truck?
stock? No,
MPS.
What does he drive?
No.
She said you drive a monster truck.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Let's go to Pizza Hut. We're going to Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Not even for food.
To get a drink. It's over there.
My back teeth are floating.
Why didn't we
I'm about to
drive?
piss my pants. Any second. Yuck. We've done it again. We forgot to film an outro, but trust me, it won't happen again. I just want to say a big thank you from me and Alex for reaching over 200 subs. I mean, we did not expect that at all, but it's crazy. So keep on subbing, keep letting all your friends know for weekly uploads. For now. We've got big things coming as well next video, so stay tuned for that. We've got merch coming out soon, so be ready. We've got a giveaway coming out as well for our sub count that just went up. We've got our next meet coming out the 28th of March. That's going to be sick. If you guys bring your cars down and you come down, your car will probably get featured in the next video. So if you want to get featured in our next video, be there. Just got big things. Just again, a big thank you from me and Alex from RSK here. So just remember, RSK is a family. Spread the word.